Anti-stress relax package naturally boosts your calm. Stress. It's one of the biggest challenges of modern life. We've all been there. Lying awake at night, replaying the day, feeling your heart race during a busy afternoon, or snapping at the smallest things because your mind feels like it's in its overdrive. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to take back control of your calm? Today we are diving deep into the anti-stress relax package from Natuurlijk, Presteren. We all explore what's inside, why it works, and how you can combine it with daily habits to feel calmer, sleep better, and recharge your energy. And yes, stay until the end, because I've got an exclusive discount code just for you. Understanding stress. Before we talk about solutions, let's understand the problem. Stress isn't just a feeling tense, it's a biological chain reaction. When you face pressure, whether it's work deadlines, financial worries, or even just endless notifications, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. These are great if you're running from danger, but if they stay high for too long, they start to hurt you. Poor sleep, tension, headaches, mood swings, digestive issues, and even an weakened immune system. That's why managing stress isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for your health. What's inside the anti-stress relax package? This package has three main components, each with a unique role in supporting relaxation and balance. Number one is magnesium. The muscle relaxer helps your muscles release built-up tension, supports restful sleep, reduces feelings of restlessness. Number two is ashwagandha, the stress shield, and adaptation, meaning it helps your body adapt to stress. It can improve focus while reducing anxiety, supports balanced energy, calm but not sleepy. Number three, calming herbal tea, your nightly ritual. Chamomile for gentle relaxation, lavender for soothing your nervous system, and peppermint for digestion and comfort before bed. The science behind the calm. I like to make sure we are not just talking about wellness buzzwords. The anti-stress relax package is backed by research. Studies show magnesium deficiency can increase anxiety and make sleep lighter and less restorative. Ashwagandha has been shown in clinical trials to lower cortisol levels by up to 30%. Herbal teas like chamomile contain compounds that bind to receptors in your brain to promote relaxation, similar to how mild sleep aids work, but naturally. How to use it for the best results? Here's a simple daily routine you can follow. Morning, take ashwagandha after breakfast for stress resistance throughout the day. Evening, take magnesium about an hour before bed to signal your body to relax. At night, brew your calming tea, dim the lights, and use that as your cue to unplug and wind down. Bonus relaxation exercises. Let's do a quick guided breathing exercise you can try right now. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat for 1 minute. You will feel your heart rate slow, your muscles unclench, and your mind begin to quiet. Doing this alongside the anti-stress relax package creates a powerful habit for your well-being. Life support for lasting calm. Supplements are powerful, powerful, but pairing them with small lifestyle changes multiplies the benefits. Take short walks during the day to break mental overload. Reduce blue light exposure in the evening to improve sleep quality. Keep a gratitude journal to shift your focus away from stress triggers. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can mimic anxiety symptoms. Stress will always be a part of life, but with the right tools you can face it with calm, focus and energy. The anti-stress relax package from Natuurlijk Presteren is a natural, effective way to help your body relax and recover. Visit avoranature.com to learn more, and don't forget, use the code AVORANATURE10 at checkout for 10% of your first order. If you found this helpful, share, like and subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips. And as always, stay natural, stay Avora.